Racing just is started. We have My Lady Hana. Break weekly start. Moving up na the outside Mangaro. Then next online Sirikit. Moving up on the outside Balinganda. Green Lexter Boyo comes next. Then followed over by Gallant Warrior. Down on the inside start Turka. Shot up Chapel Guard. Well landed Bisa. Is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have My Lady Hana goes on by about 4 lengths. Balinganda moving up now to take second. Mangaro is down on the inside. Serikit is racing in for the Green Lexter Boyo. Then comes Gallant Warrior. Chapel Guard now coming closer. Then next online start Turk. Shot up while landed Bisa is still racing in last inside the 3 octavo. We have Mangaro Serikit moving up now on the outside. Down on the inside, My Lady Hana. Moving up on the outside, Green Lexter, Boyo, Balinganda, Chapel Guard. Likewise now coming closer is Starter. Moving up on the outside, Gallant Warrior shot up and landed Bisas. They swing for home. We have Zerikit now takes command. Running by the release Mangaro, Green Lexter. Moving up on the outside, last 100 meters. We have Serikit, Mangaro, Green Lexter is on the outside. Serikit, followed by Green Lexter, and finally Serikit. Green Lexter, Mangaro, Chapel Guard start third. Then comes Boyo.
9, 10, 8, 7, 2, 6. Tama ba yan?
Yep.